Want to score free gifts on Shein? In this video, I will guide you the most reliable ways to do so. Now, Shein regularly runs official offers like buy two get one free gift or buy three get one free gift on the site. These are legitimate promotions where a bonus item is added to your cart automatically once you meet the purchase threshold. You can check Shein's promotion rules to confirm you are eligible and see what qualifies. Next thing you want to do is visit Shein's free trial center to browse their promotion banners within the app to find limited time offers like free gifts or exclusive samples when purchasing specific categories. You want to avoid claiming free gift links shared via referral generated pop-ups or games. Many users on Reddit reported these as scams promising free items but changing requirements or never delivering once you've helped them. Now to redeem your free gift, you want to open the Shein app. Then look for the Buy X gift banner. Add eligible items to your cart until the offer appears. Confirm the free gift gets added before checkout. Check your email or account after placing the order to track delivery. And that's it for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.